Hello everyone, my name is Rukan, Twitch Rukan, Rukan Twitch, whatever you want to call me. I want to do a tutorial how to upload YouTube Shorts and YouTube videos, etc. Like what's the best way to do it. So simply as that, we go into it right now. My channel right here, you see it on the screen. So it's in Swedish, but yeah, you know. So the first thing is first. Is here's your videos that you uploaded and how you wanna I wanna show you how to if you wanna change something you go down here, uh, edit edit video in English. So the title, like you put whatever title you want, your description how you want. You scroll down here. Here it says show more. In Swedish, visa mer. Um, then you put your tags, whatever you want, how you want. You can put what language you want, like what language is the video about, and like how it is. I'm gonna put my camera here, so I'm gonna show you easier. So you can put text here as well. Title, what country, blah blah. I never do that. Like I don't know. Then you can put your like when did you put the video in, etc. I never do that either. Then when you scroll down to categories, like what's your category of video? So mine was gaming, World of Warcraft. So I put gaming then, or it comes automatically because you put what kind of game it is. But you can have sports, science, education, advice, trips, people, whatever you want. Then you put here games. So mine is World of Warcraft. If you have a different game, you just type the game and it comes up on the screen there. It comes up and it's easy to find it. So let's go to how to make your video short as well. So when you're uploading something, like you're uploading here, the thing is for the video, it needs to be like a specific. I'm gonna show you here. So I'm gonna put up on Streamladder, a very good site. I recommend it. So you put your clip here, and the camera size of the short, what's it's recommend like it has to be a special size of the video, and the shorts has to be under 60 seconds or 60 seconds exactly. Then it's counted as shorts. Otherwise, you can't have a shorts video. So I go here. I put my Twitch clip. You can put your normal clip, whatever you have. I take blurred usually. Blurred looks like this, but it's like blurred a bit. Then you do edit. This is nothing you have to do about. Text, nothing, nothing. Output, go here, render. Then it's rendering the video. As soon as it's done, you download it from it comes up like a pop-up screen. You download it and then you upload it. Simple as that goes, very quick, like super quick like this. So yeah, Streamladder, Streamladder convert your Twitch clips, upload your local file, etc. I never done that, at least not now. Then you can even change size of your video. So like let's take this one, get clip. Okay, I take blurred. You can have cam, or you can have exactly how it looks like here. It can be cam, blah blah. This costs though, so I never I'm taking the free stuff. Then if you want to do it shorter video, you do it like this, you do it like that. It can, like it clips for you automatically, doesn't cost anything, doesn't like spares you time. So if you want just content, you do that. Well, I just wanted to show you. I hope you guys liked it. Leave comment down below, like it, whatever you want, subscribe if you want. I'm just trying to help people. So yeah, guys, that's me. Bye bye.